It is Caravan Park Olympic.
He's going to get it at the front here.
Oh no, he's got the chairs.
Oh, the other fella's moved his cruiser.
No.
Oh, we're going forward again.
We'll come back here again. This guy's been trying to get off his site. This is like the 4th or 5th time for other people to move his cars. He's just driven through someone's site.
Over all their hoses.
Over their hoses. The missus is out now. We've got some neighbours down here watching the show too. And they were literally
left hand hard now.
Tom's giving him coach and he's stuck. He's just been belly up on the contour bank between the two vans. His site was just there, so he's kind of got himself stuck. But all the neighbours are scared now, and they've moved their cars. But
Okay.
gotta love the Caravan Park Olympic Gold.
He's gone too early, I think.
Oh no, he's got it.
He's going to jacked off.
Oh no. He might have it. He might have it.
Get in. He just said get in. They're done.
Everyone's moved their cars and he's finally got out. It's taking him like 7 or 8 goes. Driven over old mate Sully's pipe, hit someone's chair, driven over their mat. Lucky they didn't have their awning out or he wouldn't have got out door. Let's see how we go. Oh yes, he's made it. He's free. Oh, he's jackknifed it. He's hit it up the back of his ute on the way out. Yep. So he's just driven over all these hoses, hit that chair there. Old mate in this van here has had to shift his car. He's done really good. Good job.